Is it the right time to buy or sell Pfizer stock? In this video, we will be delving deep into Pfizer. We had initially released a report on our website on Thursday, December 28, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any updates that may impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be discussing Pfizer's stock performance as of December 5, 2023. Our system has identified Pfizer as a sell candidate, with a score of -1.23. Now, let's dive into the details and analyze the stock's performance during this period. Unfortunately, Pfizer experienced a loss of -1.03%. This means that on average, the stock has been losing -0.06% per day since it was categorized as a sell candidate. Based on the current 3-month trend, it appears that there might be a potential decrease of -16.85% in the next 3 months. This means that the return could range between -26.98% and -16.85%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a possible decrease of -34.23% over the next year. This would result in a return range between -41.76% and -22.78%. In terms of price, it could be expected to range from $16.77 to $22.23 after a year. Our latest update on Pfizer stock reveals that it ended Thursday at a price of $28.79, marking a gain of 0.629%. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, December 28, 2023, Pfizer stock experienced a gain of 0.629%. Its price rose from $28.61 to $28.79, continuing a streak of 5 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $28.58 and a high of $29.03, representing a 1.57% change. In the past 10 days, the stock has risen in 8 instances, resulting in a 7.99% increase over the last 2 weeks. On the last trading day, the volume of shares traded decreased by 4 million, with a total of 27 million shares bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $789.38 million in value. It is worth noting that a decrease in volume accompanied by higher prices can indicate a potential divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, Pfizer stock has reached a high of $51.67 and a low of $25.76. Currently, the price is 44.28%, or $22.88, below the 52-week high, and 53.35%, or $32.92, below the all-time high reached on December 20, 2021, when the price peaked at $61.71. Welcome to today's video on analyst ratings. Let's dive into the latest ratings for Pfizer, PFE, stock. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, Barclays gave PFE an equal weight grade and recommended to hold the stock. On Monday, November 27, 2023, Morgan Stanley also gave PFE an equal weight grade, suggesting to hold the stock. Moving back to November 1, 2023, Barclays once again gave PFE an equal weight grade with a hold action. Similarly, on November 1, 2023, Morgan Stanley reiterated a hold action for PFE, giving it an equal weight grade. Let's go back a bit further to October 16, 2023. Goldman Sachs gave PFE a positive grade, but still recommended to hold the stock. Analysts have given Pfizer stock a strong buy rating overall. They consider the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. The following signals have been identified for Pfizer. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, December 14, 2023. Since then, the stock has risen by 10.18%. This indicates a potential for further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It is worth noting that the stock's volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which can be seen as an early warning. It is recommended to closely monitor the stock. Some negative signals were also identified, which may have an impact on the near short-term development. The Pfizer stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average signals a general sell. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal for the stock, indicating a more negative forecast. In terms of resistance and support levels, if the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $29. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it will find support from the short-term average at $28.33. Keep in mind that a breakup through the long-term average will provide another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will strengthen the general sell signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicated a buy signal. Pivots also showed a buy signal 10 days ago. Bollinger Bands generated a buy signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. Now, let's take a closer look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average provided a buy signal 3 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a sell signal 241 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 232 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we will be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for Pfizer. Let's start with the downside. Currently, the stock finds support just below today's level at $26.66 and $26.63. When a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If this support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. For Pfizer, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $26.63 and $26.13. In terms of volatility, this stock has average movements during the day. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In the last day, the stock moved $0.448 between its high and low, which is a 1.57% change. Over the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 1.66%. Let's start by discussing some important fundamental data before we explore potential trading levels for Pfizer. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's share price to its per-share earnings. A low PE ratio may suggest a pessimistic outlook for the company or indicate that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for January 30, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.160. It's important to keep a close eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Let's now explore the potential day trading levels for Pfizer. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Pfizer stands at $28.91. If you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Pfizer encounters its initial support level at $26.66. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. Analysts unanimously agree that Pfizer is a strong buy, based on the combined average rating from multiple sources. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 15, 2023, de Jerme Alexander made an insider purchase of 0 shares. On December 15, 2023, Dolston Michael bought 37,552 shares of phantom stock units. On December 15, 2023, Burla Albert acquired 20 shares of phantom stock units SSP. On December 15, 2023, Burla Albert also made a purchase of 375,516 shares of phantom stock units SSP. On December 15, 2023, Lankler Douglas M. bought 37,644 shares of phantom stock units SSP. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power shows a positive ratio of 388.028. In total, insiders have purchased 660,791 shares and sold 16,223 shares in the last 100 trades. We have evaluated this stock negatively and have not set a stop loss. Is investing in Pfizer stock a good decision? Currently, Pfizer shows several negative signals, which indicates that it may perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have identified that the current price of Pfizer stock is undervalued. Regarding trading on Friday, December 29th, we anticipate Pfizer to open with an increase of $0.0106 and begin trading at $28.80. Before we dive into today's content, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Always consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source for making investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't hesitate to comment below. What's your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe for more valuable content. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful day ahead. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.